We have an under first alert weather day, guys. Let's talk about it. First alert weather day. Right now, there's no thunderstorms going on across North Texas, but that could change very quickly, and we'll certainly be keeping an eye on that. Now, the timing is from now until about 10 p.m. We think large hail and damaging winds with, yes, a tornado threat involved with this as well. Now, there's going to be a brief lull after that through the overnight hours, and then as soon as we get in there, kind of early morning, mid-morning hours, we're going to have some very heavy rainfall with maybe some severe weather as well in the form of hail damaging winds. So it's not done yet when this is finished tonight, but by tomorrow we're just looking at widespread rain and thunderstorms and a continuing flooding threat, and we think it's packed mostly in the first half of the day, at least for the Metroplex. We've had a lot of cloud cover today, and that's kind of kept the temperatures in check a little bit. I mean, we're sitting at 83 in Dallas and Fort Worth 79, Denton at 80, McKinney at 80. So these are temperatures so far above normal. This has been the warmest start to March on record, by the way. So it's been very unusually warm, and that's been the story. So the tornado watch is out till 10 p.m., and it includes Tarrant, Dallas County, Collin and Denton, and everything to the north. And as I said, there's nothing showing up on radar yet. We've had a lot of shower activity racing up to the north, but no thunderstorms going. The reason is that the atmosphere is capped, and we have to break this cap for thunderstorms to get going. Now, here's one forecast model that shows the cap breaking, and by about 6 o'clock, there what appears to be a supercell over the Metroplex. Now, remember, this is just a computer model trying to take a very complicated scenario where we're waiting for a cap to break and watching thunderstorms develop. So they're notoriously inaccurate, to be honest. If I showed you 6 different models, you'd see 6 different solutions. But they all agree that a few of these really strong cells get going and they move up to the northeast and are pretty much done with us as we get to the 10 o'clock hour. Now, the severe threat, large hail could be as much as 2 inches in size. Winds could get up to 70 miles per hour. And yes, it's a tornado risk, and there could be some strong tornadoes. So we're very concerned the way the atmosphere is stacked up. We'll just have to wait and see what happens here across the evening. The First Alert Weather Team is firmly in place and watching, trying to keep you safe. Now, tomorrow, if you got Saturday plans, know that we are again under a slight risk of severe weather for tomorrow. It's another First Alert Weather Day. We think this lull in the overnight lasts to maybe 3 or 4 in the morning, and we start seeing this rain coming up trying to meet this front. The front will focus all this, destabilize the atmosphere, so we start seeing some heavy rainfall, and then the activity will shift down further south as we get into the afternoon. But rainfall amounts could end up rather impressive. Some areas maybe 3 to 4 inches. Again, this is just one model run showing the heaviest rain in the Metroplex over the weekend. Well, really Saturday. There is rain in the forecast for Sunday and Monday as well, but these chances are much smaller. By the way, the thing to know about tomorrow, we're finally going to feel like we should around here. Temperatures should be in the mid-60s, and that's where it'll be as they fall later in the afternoon. So this is some cold air, but it's not sticking around. We're back to 80 degrees by Monday. Tuesday and Wednesday, after all this, I want to talk to you about this. Tuesday and Wednesday looks like another round of severe weather.